Hello, today we are picking the winner of the little red arrow that I made. And I made this one on screen, the one with the white string, but I also made one later with the red string. And I also made a blue one. So you can pick the one you want. And so whoever wins it, just let me know which one you want, and that's the one I'll send you. Okay, I finally got my ULR. This is my 4th time trying it. Okay, so now I'm going to get the comments. Okay, there's 6. Now we're going to start. Let me see, get it in the screen. Okay, the winner is Sherry Tibbetts, and I know that she is on the Love RTS site, so she can just message me from Messenger and tell me her address and which arrow she wants. And I think that's all I have to say. Yeah, the address, which arrow you want, and I'm sure I'll throw in some flair with that too. So have a wonderful day. Congratulations, Sherry Tibbetts, and we'll be chatting with you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.